Everyone, I, Dr. Shamli Dubey, show my obligation to entire team of this conduction of international conference that they are giving us opportunity to present our paper. So my topic is a study of an effectiveness of online teaching in this pandemic era. As we all know that in this state of COVID-19, the million of students in the world wide have been driven from their colleges and the faculties are confined to their homes. But they still, because teaching is one of the noble profession, so there are a new, gradually a new form of technology based teaching and learning is now started. The objectives of my study to understand the current status of virtual classes in private engineering and management colleges running especially in Uttar Pradesh. The second is to assess the impact of virtual classes on faculties, because on the parlance of faculty, what is the status of it? And the third one, to suggest the measures for improving the effectiveness of teaching during this pandemic situation. In this research methodology, I have collected the data from both primary and secondary sources, and for primary source, I have seen the undisguised observation as well as the questionnaire study. The sampling is random among all the faculties of Uttar Pradesh of different colleges, and my sample, I have forwarded the mail to the 1000 of faculties, but right now I have given the only result of 234. So after the observation, what I found, the most of the faculties are not satisfied uh, with their job in this pandemic era, and this finding is based on the certain parameters, which these parameters disturb the effectiveness of teaching in these days. The first one is the lecture content, because the lecture content is in this era is now act as a pandemic, completely a video content dubbing and the PDF which is downloaded by the faculty members. It is not a relevant material for the student specifically. Second is network issue. In the UP, most of the students are from the rural background, so they cannot connect with the classes at every time, and they cannot download the entire content easily. Third thing, because of the sudden lockdown, the teachers does not get any expertise training for the making the lectures or video content, or how they develop this content, how the uploading of this content will be done. The fourth one is the work-life balance of faculties. Here I want to mostly emphasize on the female work. They have to even work for the more than the odd hours, and even on the Sundays and other holidays. The next one is the employability issues, because the student those who are get the placement will not get the job, because there is a economic slowdown. So that's why it create a pressure for the colleges and training and placement team as well as on the faculties. And the last one is the admission pressure for the new session, because the faculties have not only focused towards the academics, but they also focused on the admission of the new student. But right now the students are not willing to run into the hotspot areas, so they will take the admission in their own place. This is one of the biggest problem, and the faculty has to face this problem. So in the conclusion, I want to say that work from home is not a new terminology, but for the academics it is a new concept. But the pandemic changed the entire teaching pedagogy, while because the organization has to face this problem, because the teachers and the students make the nation's economic future. So the students in both are under the pressure, so they want to utilize their academic time and reframe the learning process in the best possible way of online classes. Thank you.